Hello everyone, I'm Prashant and I have dedicated my career to exploring the intersection of artificial intelligence and data analytics. Today I'm excited to share a tool that I believe is a game changer for data-driven decision making. This tool simplifies complex data analysis and makes it accessible through natural language queries. Let's dive in. Our journey starts with a common challenge, data complexity. Whether you are a seasoned data scientist or a business professional, the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. That's why I developed this tool, which leverages advanced AI to allow you to ask questions about your data just as you would ask a colleague. Let's look at how the tool works. I have uploaded a dataset that includes employee information like job titles, salaries, and hire dates. We'll use this data to extract meaningful insights without writing a single line of code. Now let's start with some simple queries like how many employees are there in the dataset. This concept, to develop this, I had used a concept called action agents. So an action agent in our context is a system component designed to perform specific actions based on the data input it receives. And the instructions or queries provided by the user. Let me demonstrate the agent executor chain. Let's walk through a series of examples that shows how the action agent works step by step. Our tool utilizes these agents to automate and simplify data interactions using natural language queries, turning complex data tasks into easy to understand results. So let's count unique employees. So let me ask a query, how many employees are there in the dataset? There are actually 50 employees in the dataset. So let's count the unique 50 employees. So let me show you the backend of how this is working. So it generated a thought, I need to count the number of rows in the data frame. And then to determine how many employees are listed, the action that it had taken is, or the action the agent has taken is, it attempts to use a basic link function, but it realizes it needs to focus on the unique employee IDs to ensure accuracy. And it counts the unique employee IDs using length of data frame of employee.unique. And for verification, it checks for duplicates to confirm the count is accurate. Here is where it's verifying for the accuracy. And finally, it gave us the final answer that there are 50 unique employees in the dataset. This demonstrates the agent's ability to refine its approach based on this data structure and query needs. Let's go ahead and try with another example, getting unique job titles. Let me ask a query, what are the unique job titles listed in this dataset? Yes, we got the output. There are 17 unique job titles listed in this dataset. Let's see how this is working in backend. So let's find all the unique job titles from our dataset. The thought that it's generated, the thought that it took is, I need to access the job ID column and then apply unique function to get the distinct job titles. And the action that the agent has taken is the action executed df of job ID.unique to retrieve all the unique job titles. It outputs the all unique job titles, confirming the diverse roles within our dataset. And it showed us the final answer that there are 17 unique job titles listed in this dataset. Let's try with another example of what is the average salary of employees in this dataset. For suppose if this is an employee data of a company, we can easily find the average salary from this company. So let's ask what's the average salary of employees in this dataset. So it gives the answer that the average employees in this dataset is $6,182. So let's see in action how this is working. So we will calculate the average salary for our employees. The thought is that I need to find the average of the salary column. And the action, it executes df of salary.mean to compute the average. And the final answer is the salary of employees in the dataset is 6,182.32. We haven't written not even a single line of code, but we got the results. As you see that the action agent simplifies the data analysis by automating the execution of complex queries and calculations, making it accessible to users without deep technical knowledge. This tool empowers decision-making to derive insights quickly and efficiently, enhancing productivity and data-driven decision-making. Thank you.